how to create a GIF image from multiple selected pictures in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery app. Next in here, what you want to do is touch and hold on one of the pictures, and then select the pictures that you want to include in your animated GIF. Okay, so I have select 7 pictures. Next, tap on the Create button at the bottom. From the pop-up menu selection, select GIF. Okay, in here there are some settings that you can set. You can add in additional pictures if you wanted to. So here we can add in additional pictures. We can cut it, we can delete some, or we can copy some. Okay, so we can copy some of them. You can move them to the left or to the right of the frame. Here there is a trim button, so you can tap on that to trim your GIF animation. Okay, after that we go back in here. There is a size that you can set, so you can set it to 1:1 square photos, 4:3, 16:9, so original. So you select the format that you want to use. So I will select original or custom original, and here we can set the speed of your animation. You can increase or decrease the speed, and you can choose whether it will loop or not. So forwards and backwards. This one will go backward. So we select forward and backward at a speed of 10. Here you can do some drawing, add stickers and text. So here if I select stickers, I can select something. I can add in a bubble text or some drawings. So there it is, I can put it there. And then after that, tap on the play button and then tap on the preview button right here. So tap on the play button to have a preview. Now you can see that it's going way too fast, so we can slow it down. Okay, so once you are happy with all the settings, then tap on the save button. Okay, so it is now saved. So if we go back into here, you can see at the top there is a GIF image. Tap on that, and now it will play the GIF animated image in your gallery. And that's it. So that is how you can create a GIF image in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.